Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's news bulletin. Let's take a look at today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to share his thoughts in the 113th episode of Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani tomorrow. Central government's focus is inclusive for sustainable growth of Meghalaya and in harmony with the environment, says Union Minister of State for Jal Shakti, says Dr. Rajbhushan Chaudhary. Unidentified insect invasion causes severe losses to sericulturists in West Khasi Hills district. And Bengaluru FC beat Kerala Blasters in the fourth quarter-final of Duran Cup 2024. First semi-final will be played between North East United FC and Shillong Najong FC on Monday in Shillong. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people of the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani at 11 a.m. tomorrow. It will be the 113th episode of the monthly radio program. The program will be broadcast on the entire network of Akashvani and Doordarshan, the AIR News website and the News on Air mobile app. It will also be live streamed on the YouTube channels of the AIR News, DD News, PMO and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. Union Minister of State for Jal Shakti, Dr. Rajbhushan Chaudhary, appreciated the rich cultural heritage of Meghalaya and said that the state holds a special place in the country with its unique landscapes and vibrant community. He was addressing a press conference in Shillong on his third-day visit to Meghalaya after returning from Southwest Khasi Hills district. During his address, the Union Minister stressed that it is the firm belief of the central government that the growth of Meghalaya should not only be rapid but also inclusive, sustainable and in harmony with its environment.
स्टेट का क्या कंडीशन है एट लेवल ऑफ इंडिया के अदर स्टेट्स के कंपैरिजन में क्या डेवलपमेंट का लेवल है, इसको एसेस करने के लिए हम लोग आए और हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी का एक विज़न है कि डोनियर स्टेट्स जो हैं उनका डेवलपमेंट पर बहुत खास ध्यान है और इसलिए ईच 15 डेज़ पर कोई ना कोई मिनिस्टर आते हैं यहाँ के डेवलपमेंटल वर्क को एसेस करने के लिए. इट इज़ आवर फर्म बिलीफ दैट द ग्रोथ ऑफ मेघालय शुड नॉट ओनली बी रैपिड बट ऑल्सो इंक्लूसिव, सस्टेनेबल एंड इन हार्मोनी विथ इट्स environment.
Sericulturists in Kilong Mathai Shalang West Khasi Hills district are facing severe losses this year due to an invasion of unidentified insects that have completely devoured the leaves used to feed the silkworms. The insects have primarily targeted the leaves along with other plants, causing significant distress to farmers who rely on silkworm farming for their livelihood. The affected farmers have appealed to the government for an immediate inspection of the situation and urgent assistance to help them recover from the damage.
Nada kadbala ngi kwa klang klang banyo ya ke jing yarap ngi terpat klang klang ya ke sarkar ban yarap ya kane ka jing dunong jongi ka besir khai.
30 candidates successfully completed the training in rural masonry for the construction of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana houses under the supervision of the District Skills Committee in West Jaintia Hills District. Chairman of the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority honoured the candidates and also launched the Business Startup 2.0 application form. The Jaintia Institute of Technology had conducted a 3-month training program under Skill Meghalaya funded by the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society Shillong. These candidates were presented with startup tools and certificates by the chief guest.
Wow, Idiom district what ye can need a so hajar like open the yam. More indeed, Knam, wa can rope yogi, yogi, Jimmy Toy. Nebasya to him to still hajar back a training. Henry Rankat is start of tools and eater, you sang, ye come the yogi.
A peace rally against drug addiction was held on Saturday, August 24th from Civil Hospital Shillong to Mura entrance in Kindai Lat, which was organized by the Presbyterian Youth Today International Network. In the 2019 report of the Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, approximately 2.5 lakh people in Meghalaya were struggling with drug addiction. President of the Presbyterian Youth Today International Network, Daniel Stone Lingdor, expressed concern on the grim situation of drug addiction in the state.
By drug addictions, drug addiction not only people living in urban areas or in the towns, but we have found that in rural areas also, youths have been involved in these things of drug addictions. Come together means we know about the problems of these drugs which have been affected to youth.
Meghalaya Model United Nations 5th International Conference began on 23rd August at the North Eastern Hill University, Shillong, and will continue till 25th August. The three-day event is being held in collaboration with NEHU and the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya. It is also supported by the Government of Meghalaya through the CM Special Grant, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society.
Organizations to be? What are the issues which you would like your modern organizations to deliberate on? What are the changes, like I said before, that you would like to bring about? And how would you bring about those changes? There's a saying that when you build castles in the air, be sure to put some foundations there. Because it is those foundations which will help you to build on those dreams, those aspirations, and then, as very significantly stated, the restoration that will come, but we're trying to reach those dreams and aspirations.
In response to the tragic incident involving the rape and murder of Abhaya in Kolkata, Art Living Shillong organized a candlelight vigil at Police Bazaar recently. The event aimed to express solidarity with the nation and honor the memory of the young doctor. The vigil, attended by concerned citizens, activists and members of the community, served as a platform to raise awareness about the urgent need for safety, justice and accountability. Participants held candles, observed a moment of silence and shared their grief and outrage. The National Cadet Corps has launched an initiative called Yuva Bhagidari in collaboration with St. Anthony's College, Shillong. The initiative aims to tackle the rampant problem of drug and substance abuse in the society. In this context, a function was organized in the auditorium of St. Anthony's College. By mobilizing youth leaders and leveraging community partnerships, the NCC aims to make a tangible impact in the fight against drug substance abuse.
Meghalaya faces a serious threat to the lives, the future, the health, the safety of its citizens because of the burgeoning cases of trafficking of drugs and other narcotics. And it is a challenge that government alone will not be in a position to fight. We need each one of you to take it upon yourself that it is a choice between your future and that future being ruined today.
Approximately 63 participants are competing in the 10th district level Kickboxing Championship that was inaugurated at Nyang Bari Riboy district. Organized by the Kickboxing Association of Riboy district, the championship features male and female competitors across senior, junior and sub-junior categories. In his inaugural address, MDC Balaji Rani emphasized Riboy district's potential for both indoor and outdoor sports and encouraged participants to excel, noting the increasing popularity of kickboxing.
Khun ki jongi kinyo ban semadan ya kasap kabamaki kidon. Barok ki samla ki jongi kimdon tangkawe kasap. Kidon lala kajong kasap. Le se mapi ki bawan hangne fidon ya takasap. Hakabani le kai ya ka ne kajing le kai kickboxing. Kumbala batai iba rang telu mene. Ba kane kajing le kai menta kalasdang baha ban pau. Omdei tang ha ka dong katang ke jongi.
In football, a late goal by George Pereira Diaz helped Bengaluru FC clinch a thrilling 1-0 victory over Kerala Blasters in the fourth quarter-final of Durand Cup 2024 at the Vivekananda Yuba Bharati Kriranga in Kolkata yesterday. Mohan Bagan super giant will now face Bengaluru in the second semi-final in Kolkata on Tuesday. The first semi-final will be played between North East United FC and Shillong Lajong FC on Monday in Shillong. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 17.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius. The recorded rainfall was 7.0 millimeters. The relative humidity in the morning was 90%, while it was 96% in the evening. And the forecast says moderate rainfall and thunder showers very likely to occur in many places. And before we wind up, here's a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to share his thoughts in the 113th episode of Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani tomorrow. Central government's focus is inclusive for sustainable growth of Meghalaya and in harmony with the environment, says Union Minister of State for Jal Shakti Dr. Raj Bhushan Chaudhary. Unidentified insect invasion causes severe losses to sericulturists in West Khasi Hills district. Bengaluru FC beat Kerala Blasters in the fourth quarter-final of Durand Cup 2024. First semi-final will be played between North East United FC and Shillong Lajong FC in Monday on Shillong. Well, that's all we have for you in today's news bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow for more news updates. Until then, good night.